Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, the matter before us today is not simply about compliance with accounting standards. It is about the consequences of poor planning and the waste of millions of rand that now must be written off. Over the past decade, the city has commissioned designs and projects without securing the necessary funding, without ensuring compliance with legislation, and without adapting to environmental and demographic realities. Contracts were allowed to lapse, township applications expired, and land invasions made layouts unusable. Yet, professional fees were paid, fees that now deliver no value to our residents. Speaker, let us look at the facts. Fort West Extension 4 and 5. More than 10 million rand was spent on designs that were never approved before contracts expired. In Kirkby and Andean, over 11 million was wasted on water and sewer designs that do not meet updated standards. In Pienaarpoort, nearly 5 million was lost because bulk infrastructure was never resolved and Rand Water imposed a moratorium. In Rama City, more than 8 million disappeared into reservoir designs abandoned due to disputes and reallocation. Speaker, these are not isolated incidents. They are symptoms of systematic mismanagement. Projects were started without proper budgeting, designs were commissioned without certainty of implementations, and millions were spent on plans that could never be realized. The financial result is devastating. Tens of millions of rand written off, resources wasted, and communities left without a promised infrastructure. This is money that could have built houses, laid water pipes, or improved sewer systems. Instead, it has gone lost to poor planning and weak oversight. Speaker, the Vryheidsfront Plus cannot accept this culture of waste. Writing off 130 million rand may be necessary for the books, but it is also a confession of failure. We demand accountability. We demand that future projects be properly budgeted, legally compliant, and realistically planned before a single rand is spent. Our residents deserve service delivery, not excuses. They deserve infrastructure, not abandoned designs. They deserve a city that plans responsibly and spends wisely. But we look forward, after the upcoming municipal elections, the Vryheidsfront Plus will form part of a governing coalition committed to rectify these systemic problems. I thank you.